Welcome to Khairpur. Great arrangements of garbage, salt waste. In city, there is zero arrangements to deal with polluted city of Sindh. Garbage. This is a city of Sayyid Kamil Shah. See the level of pollution. Who three times worked as CM Sindh and also Gosali Shah. 2 times Mr. Gosali Shah was CM.